Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can easily find out that how much any YouTube channel earn per month or per year. So you can easily find out the earning of any channel. So it's very easy and very simple. It's a free way to go. Just to show you the example, I will open some channels here. For example, I will find out the earning of Mr. Beast channel, then T series, and then any random channel how to basics. So we will find out the earning of these channels. So you can find out the earning of any channel easily with the same method. So we have a tool here which name is Social Blade. You just have to open a site socialblade.com. Then you have to open any channel. For example, it's a Mr. Beast channel. You have to open that channel and then you have to copy the link of that channel. Then you again have to open the tool which name is socialblade.com. You just have to paste the link of the channel and you can see the estimated revenue of Mr. Beast channel is $585,000 to $9.4 million. That's the estimated earning. So we can like take the roundabout figure from that earning just for the estimation. For example, Mr. Beast channel's earning is around $5 million per month. You can see the stats here as well. You can see the views per day that Mr. Beast is getting, and the revenue, estimated revenue of per day as well. And you can see the subscriber graph and the views graph, and you will get the idea of total videos and total subscriber as well and total views. So that's how you can find out the earning of any channel. For example, if we took the link of T series channel and then we will paste it right here, then you can find out the earning of that channel as well. The estimated revenue per month is that, and then the yearly revenue, estimated revenue of that channel is that, the views per day that that channel is getting, and the revenue of per day. And for example, I will took the link of third channel how to basic and I will paste the link here. Then we can analyze that channel as well. So that channel is around about getting like 20 to $15,000 per month. It's a again it's a estimated revenue, and the subscriber graph as well, and the views graph as well. And you can see that the views that guy is daily getting. So guys, that's how you can get the idea of how much any channel can earn. Like you can simply paste the link of any channel, then you will simply get the idea of any channel's earning and any channel's views and per day revenue. Just very simple. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.